Hi, I'm Jan Thoren. I'm doing a little demonstration for a SIPS panel company. This is their product, exterior wall, and their insulated foam looks like this. I've made this panel already, showing the material on the foam. It's really only 1/4 of an inch or less thick for the demonstration purpose, and it's sort of spilled out in the mold. We made it in a form so that we got a good smooth coat. Now I'm making a second sample where in this sample you only see a little edge where you see the material on it, and it's very rough. So I'm going to make a second sample directly onto the oriented strand board that's highly compressed, very dense, and what they use in their process. So I'm first going to wing it a little bit. I'm traveling. I don't have my gram scale, so I'm just guessing to be at around 10% liquid to add to the composite mixture. And these other samples that you see were already made up. I just put them out for observation purposes. Now, technically you have a real heavy-duty blender unit that's attached to a drill. They come in various sizes depending on the size of your batch. They can be quite enormous. There are mixers that are used in the concrete business. I'm trying to think of the name of that. That do a much better job than I'm doing in this little plastic container. But this serves my purpose and will make for a little model that we're sending off to the company to test it so that they can see how tenacious the bond is to their surface, to this strand board. I'm trying not to make it too liquefied because I want it to cure pretty quickly, and it should cure in 5 to 10 minutes. But I made so. So we've now made our paste. This clear container, so you can, oops, I still see some powder at the bottom. And looks pretty good. Looks ready to spread, or close enough. And now I don't have the spatula. So excuse me for a minute. I'll get something to spread that with. All right, so I'm going to pile this onto one of these. I split this board in half because I'm sending one sample to a lab for adhesion tests, and the second sample to the SIPS company. I'm going to try to smooth this out to about a little less than 1/4 of an inch thickness. Now, when we actually use this on this building, we're going to definitely be using a spray application and not glomming it on with a knife or troweling it. So we're going to use the same application and a sprayer that's actually in current use, a particular type. Not every type will work for this, and we have to have a very talented and well-informed group as to how to get the material to stick, how to clean it out regularly and not let the stuff harden up. So when it's sprayed on, it'll be in a wetter format, and a good professional stucco person will know how to get a nice even coat over a large surface area, maybe 30 square feet, in a matter of minutes. I'm just this is not my area of expertise, but I'm doing the best I can to make this sample on the road with whatever's kicking around here, and I expect it'll come out just fine. So, and then we'll let it set for 10 minutes. When I get it nice and smooth, and that'll be one of our samples completed. Oops. At any point that you want to take a break,